Good morning, class 8. Today's topic of discussion is types of plastics. Now, here is a flow chart of types of plastics. There are two types of plastics, thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Now, what are thermoplastics? The plastics which can be deformed and bent easily on heating are known as thermoplastics. Example, polythene, PVC. Now, thermosetting plastics are those which cannot be softened by heating after being molded once are known as thermosetting plastics. Example, bakelite and melamine. Now let us discuss each of these plastics. Thermoplastics are plastics which can be softened repeatedly by heating and can be molded into different shapes again and again is called a thermoplastics. Example, polyvinyl chloride and polythene. Thermosetting plastic. A plastic which once set does not become soft on heating and cannot be molded a second time is called a thermosetting plastic. Example, bakelite and melamine are examples of thermosetting plastics. Now let us discuss the arrangement of polymer chains in thermoplastics. We will now discuss why thermoplastics can be softened by heat but thermosetting plastics cannot be softened by heat. Now this can be explained due to the difference in their structure. Now in thermoplastics, the polymer chains are not cross-linked with one another. So due to this, on heating, the individual polymer chains can slide over one another and thermoplastic material becomes soft and ultimately melts. Now on the other hand, the arrangement in thermosetting plastics are the polymer chains are cross-linked with one another, and these cross links prevent the displacement or sliding of individual polymer chains on being heated. Due to this, the thermosetting plastics do not become soft on heating or they do not change their shape on heating once they have been given a particular shape. Next, we discuss the uses of plastics. Now, plastics have many useful properties which makes them materials of choice of all sorts of use. Due to the special properties, plastics have many advantages. Some of the advantages are: it is chemically unreactive. Plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Plastics can be molded into different shapes. Plastics is light, strong and durable, and plastics are quite cheap and can be easily made.